Well, much of the action with the stormy weather is going to stay south of us as we go after dark and through the overnight hours, but still a wet and very humid feeling evening. Showers that are rolling across northwest Ohio. And just a quick peek on radar shows south of us, that is where the heavier storm threat is going to be over the next 12 hours. Down towards Cincinnati, Indianapolis, and even south of that, closer to the Ohio River. That risk zone somewhat suppressed just to the south and to the west. And you noticed it. The rain that occurred much of the day, that limits some of that storm juice or storm energy, so it is lessened somewhat that risk of any strong storms across our area. Here's our rain showers, a little steadier towards Findlay and Ottawa. It's a light rain, but still a nuisance shower that is going to impact that evening drive. Napoleon to Malinta, down to Holgate, back toward Defiance and up toward Archbold. We do have some steadier showers and a couple steadier showers depending on where you are in the Toledo metro. A little steadier up towards Sylvania Township, down toward Holland and Monclova. A little lighter if you're in Rossford, Walbridge, and over toward Oregon, and down toward Perrysburg, just on the cusp of a few showers that are moving into the area. Speaking of Perrysburg, there's the gloomy skies. Sylvania, there's the steadier showers, and wet weather is expected across much of the area this evening, even with a little bit of a lull in the steadier rain. After 9 o'clock is going to be when we get the chance of a couple storms, but I do expect that greater risk of severe storms really is going to be down towards Cincinnati and south, where there may be a strong line of storms that will roll into southern Ohio. It's all ahead of a cold front that's going to be headed into the area, and as we go through tonight, here's the clock, 11 p.m. We're really going to be seeing that risk of any storms. Perhaps a couple storms with a few gusty winds grazing close to the southern edge of our viewing area. The front itself comes into the area while you're sleeping tonight, kicks the winds up, ends the rain threat, and it will turn windy through the day tomorrow. So we'll preview those high wind gusts. As soon as that front comes through, those winds will spike 35 to 40 miles per hour. And this will be while you sleep tonight, so if you're a light sleeper, maybe the winds wake you up a touch. We'll be windy through tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts in excess of 35, 40, even some areas north and west of Toledo up to 45 miles per hour. And it will still stay breezy, but not quite as gusty into Friday. More sun will develop by tomorrow afternoon. It is going to be a dry day from sun up to sundown, near 60 degrees with winds gusting occasionally over 40 miles per hour. High of 60 on Thursday. Friday, a couple sprinkles, upper 50s. We'll slide back into the low 50s Saturday, right around 50 for Easter Sunday, and it will be a frosty morning, down close to 30 degrees. Some upper 40s and low 50s will continue into early next week, Monday and Tuesday, and a subtle warming trend that will take us close to the low 60s as we get into the end of next week. Looking out toward Thursday and Friday, we'll slowly climb a little bit back closer to average for late April. Melissa, back over to you.
Thanks, Chris.